We all crave a chicken parmesan, but we also crave a quesadilla every once in a while. Well, I'm going to teach you how to make a parmadilla. That's right, I said it. Where you make a chicken parmesan into quesadillas in under 10 minutes, y'all. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's get to cooking. To start off our chicken parm, we're going to take our cutlets first and we are going to beat them. We are going to thin these babies out paper thin. Once we've got the cutlets paper thin, we're going to season them with some salt and pepper, and then we're going to go ahead into our judging stations. First, we're going to do the egg wash, then we're going to dip it into the flour. We're going to go back to that egg wash, and then we're going to head on over to our breadcrumb mixture. Once that's done, we're going to make sure all of the chicken is breaded and ready to rock. I've got my preheated griddle on high behind me. I've got some oil. I'm using avocado oil today, and some butter, about 3 tablespoons, because we are basically shallow frying that chicken. I'm going to grab my plate here, and we're going to go over and just put down these delicious cutlets. Now, some of them are going to start to fall apart because remember, they are super thin. That breading though already makes it thick. We just put that chicken down, give it about 5 minutes. We're really going to want a good crispy outer texture. So just a couple more minutes if needed, but we'll be right back to check on them. It's been about 4 or 5 minutes and they are looking beautiful. Go ahead and flip those over. Now at this point, you're going to want to add a little bit of more butter, a little bit of more oil, a couple more minutes, and it is time to build. Behind me here, I went ahead and turned my right side of my griddle down just a little bit to medium low. I'm going to place burrito size. I'm using Mission tortillas today, burrito size tortillas, and I'm going to be using 4 total. And we're going to be folding them in half. And what's going to happen next is we're just going to build this bad boy, and it's all going to come to life and be beautiful. Now, just a little tip for you, always try to add a little bit of cheese down first. I'm using mozzarella cheese today. This is just going to be my binder. We'll put more on top afterwards. We're also going to take our chicken, because our chicken at this point is done. So we're going to take our chicken and place it on each tortilla. You are going to build this just like you would a chicken parmesan dish, right? If you're going to be baking it in the oven, we're going to be doing the same thing. So we're going to take this marinara sauce right on top, just a little bit. You do not want to go heavy with this sauce. Don't worry, you will have a lot more of this sauce on the side to dip. So just enough to cover the top here. On top of that, we are going to add more mozzarella cheese, and we're just gonna add some of that right on top here. And on top of the mozzarella cheese, we're also going to add some Parmesan, some shredded Parmesan cheese, because that's what you would do with a chicken parm dish, right? Now comes the fun part. We are going to flip. Now that we have them all folded in half, you're gonna wanna wait maybe about 2-3 minutes. That way they get nice and crispy, but not burnt. Once you see that, go ahead and flip it over, wait a couple more minutes, and make sure that same side is just as crispy. I'm gonna go ahead and take them off the griddle at this point. I'm gonna move them over to a cutting board, and here's the fun part. You can cut these however you want. I'm gonna cut these in quarter pieces just like this. If you can, find a long platter, and in the center, you're gonna want that extra marinara sauce. My advice, make sure your marinara sauce is nice and warm. And to top it off, we're gonna add a little bit of extra Parmesan cheese, just a little bit of parsley on top for beauty purposes. And this looks fabulous. It is time to dig in. This looks so good. The amount of cheese on here, look how amazing that is. The layers upon layers, y'all. All right, here we go. The first thing I'm tasting is that crispy Parmesan chicken with the sauce, with the cheeses. And there you have it. That is our parmadilla. Just take that boring old chicken Parmesan recipe and slap it on a tortilla. And hey, thanks to Mission for partnering with us with their tortillas. They work perfect for this recipe of mine. Under 10 minutes, you can do this too. And if you're looking for more recipes like this, just head on over to Blackstone's channels where you can find more delicious appetizers, dinner, breakfast, whatever your little heart desires. I'm Taylor Mock, and I will see you on the next episode. Cheers.